Hello, welcome back. Today I'm sharing some easy hairstyles with curtain bangs. And if you're like me and you've been wanting to try bangs without the commitment, you're going to love this. Now, this video is sponsored by Luxy Hair, and I'm super excited to show you their new clip-in bangs, which I'm obsessed with, and I think you will be too. Now, they're so easy to clip in. You just part your hair in the middle, tuck it behind your ears, you line up the bangs with the front of your hairline and clip them in using a scooping motion. Then stretch the base backwards and clip them in place. And what makes these the best is they even mimic natural hair growth at the scalp. Just look how real they look. And just wait until you see them styled. Sabrina Carpenter was my inspiration. I feel like I've unlocked so many new hairstyles, but without the commitment, no regrets, even though I think I want curtain bangs. Let me know. Don't forget, use code AlexGabriel. The link is in the description. Now let's get started. You've seen this look on Sabrina Carpenter and Matilda Djerf. Let's create it together. Start by placing your thumbs in front of your ears and trace upwards to the crown, gathering only the top layer of hair. Now completely section this off, and don't forget to separate your curtain bangs for that face framing look. Now smooth the rest of your hair back for a clean finish and secure with a small hair elastic. Now take your ribbon, slide it underneath your elastic until both sides are even, and then wrap them behind, bring them to the front, and tie yourself a cute bow. So simple yet beautiful, and how cute do these bangs look with this half-up hairstyle. Now I want to share this ponytail hack with you because it's so easy and it works. Start by loosely scooping your hair into a high ponytail for that effortless textured look and secure it with a stretchy ponytail. Now pinch and pull the hair around your crown just to add to that effortless appearance, and then divide your ponytail in half. Now grab your elastic, pull it out, and twist it as if you're securing it one more time, and pull this over the top section of your ponytail. Once it's through, tighten both sides, and this will give you instant lift. To finish, I'm grabbing a small piece of hair and wrapping it around my hair elastic, and then using a topsy tail maker, sliding it behind and through my elastic to hide it. I love how this high ponytail looks with bangs. It's so effortless yet chic. Now let's give the classic French twist a twist. Loosely gather all of your hair, holding it in your right hand at the nape of your neck. Place your middle and index fingers from your left hand on top of your right hand. Now wrap your ponytail up to the right around your fingers. Now twist your fingers on your left hand one full turn to the left as you bring them towards the top of your head, pushing your fingers against your scalp to hold the twist in place. Now instead of tucking the ends like a traditional French twist, bring them up under your top bun and to the left. This will create that pretty swoop detail. You'll see. Now secure your twist with French pins or a claw clip, then fan out the top, and I like to slide my index and middle fingers through the center of the bun as I use bobby pins to secure it in place. Smooth out your ends and you've got yourself a simple yet beautiful French twist that highlights your bangs. So there are 3 beautiful looks with curtain bangs. Comment your favorite, give this video a like, and thank you so much for watching. Bye.